so privileged and encouraged to be supported by your employers in the country. Of course, number one would be Concentrix, one of the biggest BPOs in the country. Our other employers like McDonald's, Globe, 7-Eleven, our GCash partners are here as well. Of course, our LG partners, provincial government partners also, in Negros especially. And so, Step Up sa Pangarap is meant to really support people or working students like Nico who really needs a community that supports them, right? That would make them feel like I belong. Because in so many years, working students in the country have been underserved. We always focus on basic education, traditional college models that really somehow doesn't really serve the needs of our working students in the country. And like what, of course, Mr. Ricci will share with David, how much we need people in the workforce. And the way to produce that will contribute back to the economy and the country's growth is to produce more professionals. Right? While a lot of our organizations in the country already employ high school graduates, right? We still need more professionals with the right skills so that we can develop more businesses using technology, right, to propel us towards really the digital transformation that we've been talking about since 10, 15 years ago in the borders.
So Step Up sa Pangarap, if for example, there is a student enrolled in MMDC, is it an org that you join? Is it a group? What is it like? What is the experience like for a student?
Well, it's really... Step Up sa Pangarap is really like a call to action. It's a movement. It's an emotional pull that we want people to feel like, oh, there's this group of organizations and community leaders are really doing things to help me be professional more, right? You know, to be more prepared in the workplace. Like our IDTA has a lot of upskilling programs. Microsoft, Concentrix, Globe has a lot of upskilling programs. We have a program with Globe to create more upskilling for anybody who wants to do that. So it's a program that anybody can join, not just MMDC students. It's open to everybody who wants to do more and to not be obsolete by AI and technologies.
Yeah, I wanted to ask that and clarify that because of course when you see it here, Step Up sa Pangarap, you sort of think like, is that a group? Is that a Facebook group? An organization that I can join because I want to learn as well. But you clarified nga that it's parang meron siyang battle cry of some sort. And it's obvious naman with the way you craft the student experience at MMDC that ito talaga yung driving force niya because you want to help all students step up sa kanilang mga pangarap.
Yes. It's a battle cry, yes. Kumbaga we see ourselves here also MMDC as activists in the education system. We are game changers. We're trying to change the game in the education sector. Right? We don't want to just give yes to the traditional exams, pero guys, mahirap sa MMDC. They have to really take it seriously for them to succeed. No, hindi porke walang exams, di na ako mag-aaral or not gonna join the classes anymore, right? So, Step Up is what exactly as Nico has planned in his life. I want to step up, I want to get promoted, right? Because I want to achieve more in life. Right? And that's just what we want our students to have, our graduates to have.
Yeah, and that's